Hi, we are talking today about the crow, what it is, and I will have the help of my friend Janice, who's going to help me carry out an experiment. So, Janice, do you have any question to me?
Yes. What is the crow?
The crow, it is an extremely important thing. The crow is the fundamental limit of how many things you can hold in your memory at any given time.
Why is it important?
Well, it is important because it is a limit that limits our ability to think about things. And we have to be able to overcome it if we want to think about many things at a time.
Who discovered it?
Well, in the 1960s, there was an experiment conducted back east at a big university. Some researchers observed a group of crows in a tree making a lot of noise and just doing crow things. And when they approached the crows in the tree, the crows fell silent. So they decided to do an experiment. They put up a shed near the crows, and the researchers went into the shed one by one and wanted to see if the crows can remember how many people were in the shed. As the researchers emerged one by one, and the last one left the shed, the crows went back to making noise and being happy. And this is how they discovered that the crows could remember up to three people. If there were more than three people, for example, four people, then they got confused. So the crows could remember only three things. People have a limit that is around seven. There was another research experiment done by George Miller, who's a very famous neuroscientist. He conducted an experiment, a digit count experiment, that showed that people can remember about seven plus minus two items at a time. Do you want to know how this experiment is carried out?
Yes. Can we find out what your crow is?
I will be happy to. So I'll ask you to write down 12 numbers, one below each other. The first one consists of one digit. The second one consists of two digits. The third number is three digits, and so on, up to 10 or 12 numbers. And I'll ask you to read the first number out, the second number, and I will try to repeat the number in the same order. And the largest number of digits that I can recall could be called my crow. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
Okay. First number is 8.
8.
The second example is 2, 4.
2, 4.
The third example is 1, 7, 6.
1, 7, 6.
Fourth example is 3, 5, 9, 2.
3, 5, 9, 2.
Fifth example is 9, 1, 5, 7, 8.
9, 1, 5, 7, 8.
Sixth example is 1, 0, 6, 3, 9, 2.
1, 0, 6, 3, 9, 2.
The seventh example is 2, 6, 5, 8, 7, 3, 4.
2, 6, 5, 8, 7, 3, 4.
The eighth example is 9, 7, 4, 0, 3, 1, 5, 6.
I have one, the last one came into my ear. The first one fell out of my other ear, so I don't remember this one.
Okay.
So what was the largest number that I could remember, the longest?
7.
7. So today, my crow was 7. The last time I did this, it was only 6. Maybe I had a good rest and had a good lunch and I could remember better.
How do you overcome the limit of your crow?
That's an excellent question. Computers have unlimited memory, and if you want your computer to remember more things, you just add more memory to it. We can't really overcome the crow, it's our biological given. So every human is born with more or less the same, and you can't make it into 5 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of memory. However, we as humans have the ability to form concepts. We observe many things and find a distinguishing characteristic that they share in common and reduce many things into one concept. And now you only have to keep one thing in your mind instead of many. Thank you very much, Janice, for conducting this experiment. I hope you have learned something.
I have.
Goodbye.